Good morning, everyone. This is Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RJKT IIIT Basar, Telangana. Welcome you all to this session on online class through mobile. So I'll just try to tell you in the next 5 minutes, how do we engage online class through mobile. So for that, let me just go back to my mobile and let me go to Play Store and then open Zoom app, download Zoom app. Already I have downloaded it. So there are a couple of other apps also you can use them to explain. I am going to do it by Zoom app. So here there are a couple of options: new meeting, join meeting, schedule meeting. You can schedule a meeting, okay, for a particular date, for a particular time. Now you can give the title, etc., etc. You can schedule the meeting over there, and you can also, once you schedule, you can invite, share the invite with the students. Okay. So right now, let me start up the meeting. So new meeting. So it gives you options: video on. Use this ID. So let me start the meeting. Since whenever you have scheduled the meeting, students would have joined. So let us assume you have scheduled it and students have joined your session. And right now you are going to start that session. So there are a couple of options at the end, at the down. So mute, start video, and share participants. Now you can also look at who all have joined the meeting. You can mute all of them just before you are about to start the class. In between, you can unmute them whenever they have questions, they want to interact with you. All that is feasible. And let me now start sharing things to my students and then explain as I share. So there are a lot of options from here you can share. You can share from your OneDrive, Google Drive, photo, document. So let me just share it. Share a document. You can have all your notes at one place, or all your presentations, PPT at one place. Convert it to PDF. It's readily available and you can start sharing it. So I'll just click on this and then I'll say share. Now you can see, right? I can start explaining things. I can also zoom in and then I can also highlight things. So you can see here, I can just highlight these things here, and I can also, I have to clear this. I have to erase this. So let me clear off all the drawings. And then I can also close this annotation and then go to next page possibly. And then let us say you want to explain the diagram. Now, once again, you click on this annotation tool, and then you can start explaining this one. So this for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, and n is equal to 3 respectively. And you can also so this we get by solving these equations. All that explanation you can do. And please remember to clear on the down right. You have clear. So clear all the drawings before you proceed to the next page, and then close the annotation. So don't do like that. So you have to clear this and then close the annotation. Okay. And now you can zoom out and then go to the next session. So you can do all of that. You can zoom in. You can explain the things. You can highlight. So all of that you can do. Let me stop this. Now you can do one more thing. You want to draw something and then explain. So now you can share a whiteboard. You can see bottom, you have an option, share whiteboard. So let me share a whiteboard and click on the annotation. Here, you have eraser, you have the color. You can choose the color. You can choose the size, on the screen. I have chosen some, size. Let me start. So let me start, explaining. So in today's class, let's discuss, Ohm's law. Okay. So now let me write down the things for them. So then as I write, I can explain. So V is voltage and I is current and R is resistance, etc. So all that you can do as you write down. So once you're done, you can either save this picture to your album here, or you can create a new whiteboard. I'll go to a new whiteboard, and then maybe I can explain it further. So I have a voltage source. I can draw a circuit. I can draw a circuit. Maybe let us say this is 5 volts. Let us say this is 1 ohm, and let us say this is 2 ohms. Now I can solve the thing, and then I can tell them that this is a voltage divider circuit, and etc. etc. So you can, whatever you want to explain, you can explain. So as you draw, you can start explaining. As I said, you can save this to your album. Okay, this picture gets saved. Okay, now let me just go back. So now you can quit this whiteboard. So you can write something and then you can explain parallelly. So these are the, let me stop sharing. So these are the features that are available. You have click on more, you can disconnect audio, you can chat, you can interact with the students. So you can say, okay, hi, is this concept, clear, something like that. You can send it to your students. You can send it to all of them, or you can send it to the select ones. So that option is also there. And you can chat, you can fix up the meeting settings, so screen share, you can allow the participant to share their screen, you can allow the chat, mute upon entry, so you can show the name. So all these you can explore. So, and then this is all about taking an online class. You can share the PDFs, you can share images, using the share. Or one more best option would be you can share your OneNote. If you have seen the previous video on OneNote, now you can start to share your OneDrive and OneNote right from here. You can see this, Microsoft OneDrive. Click on that, go to OneNote, and then there you can start writing things and then explaining things. The same thing can be done here. So there it will be more effective. You don't need to erase before you move to the next page and all of that. So all your annotations could be stored as it is there. Okay, so that's the advantage of it. So this is the simplest way of engaging online class. The only thing is you can do this using Zoom, you can do this using Cisco WebEx, you can do it using GMeet, Google Meet, or you can do it using Jitsi Meet. All of them have their own limitations, but Zoom, as you know, for 40 minutes it is free. Okay, so I prefer that, and that's it. So I hope this is useful to all of you. So thank you everyone, and have a good day. So take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.